Cities are growing very fast and transportation is getting a more and more serious issue for cities to overcome. One of the major issues is that people are not getting conveniently from A to B. So we want to try to solve this issue to give people a better and more advanced option of urban mobility. Connectivity for our Floatility business is very, very important because the vehicles are communicating in real time to a server backend.
We're really working with this idea of connecting things together, and that's the prerequisite really for everything that we do at Floatility. It's what lets you use the app to find your vehicle and then to communicate and have that seamless experience for the customers.
It's a permanent communication between the vehicle and the server backend. To release a vehicle in public space, you just take your handphone out, you scan the code, where we are generating a lot of data on mobility, especially on short distance mobility. Making products visible and making products even during the design phase visible is very important.
Fusion 360 we've used to work with the designers together just to get a better understanding for what they're actually doing. Making hardware is obviously a very multi-layered process. You have to go from testing to speaking back with the people who made the initial designs, and obviously in that phase and that level of cooperation, Fusion 360 is great. Personally, I'm someone who thinks very visually, and then to actually have the visual thing in front of you allows me to talk the same language with a whole group of people at the same time.
It's an Internet of Things application. With the help of our e-floaters, we'll have a much better understanding how we really can optimize transportation inside the city. It makes this product a smart city product that is pretty innovative.